Hello guys, my name is Hector, and today I'm gonna show you some quick trick to make it work, the secondary fuel pump. I know some few GTRs, they have problem with those kind of pumps. This car customer called me and then he asked me if I can do something about it because his secondary pump start working. He sent car to a shop, to a mechanic shop for replacement, the pumps. Shop replace both pumps. After replace the both pumps, the car is still not working, the secondary pump. First pump, okay, but secondary is not working. So this guy picked up the car from the shop because the shop not able to fix complete this problem. He bring the car to me. I check all the main cables from the pumps. I check the power from the second pump and I found the second cable is not receiving the power. So I check all the fuses. This car is a 2014 GTR, and I check the left side panel in the bottom right there. This car has fuses over there, and I found one blow fuse from the secondary pump. So I replaced the fuse, I put a new fuse. I check out the front end compartment box, fuse box. I check all fuses, all perfect. And then I came in the back and I checked the relay from this car. I do some inspection. I check the power. So after I put the new fuse, I already have power here in the relay, but the car still not activated the fuel pump when it's running. When the car is running and then you press the car, the gasoline, you press hard the pedal, supposed to be the fuel pump need to be activated, correct? How I know this? Because I use my Bluetooth device with the app of the Skytech, with the application of the ECU Tech. You can see both fuel pumps program. You can see if the car activate the secondary pump or not activate. So I open the application, I run the car, I press the pedal gas hard, and I see the primary fuel pump working from low to high, but I never see the secondary pump activated by itself. I try to push the button in the app from the ECU Tech to activate the pump, and the pump worked perfectly. So I decide to install a second switch to activate the pump because I try to find the problem why not activate the second pump. I keep looking all the cables, everything look good. For first time I thinking about the tune. I contact the tuner say it's not the tune. So if it's not the tune, it's probably some connection with the ECU not sending the signal to the back relay. Probably some sensor from the boost send the signal to the ECU, and then the ECU send it to the relay from the secondary pump. The problem is in the car we don't have no check engine light, no message, all is good. Only the problem, the secondary pump is not activated by itself. So I decided to do a special connection, guys. I want to show you what I do. I don't know if you can see, guys, this cable over here is connected to the relay. You can see over here the skinny cable, the red one, is ground. This ground came from the ECU. This cable received the signal from the ECU and then activate the relay. This relay received the power from the battery, from the ignition, and then retune it into the fuel pump from the secondary pump. So I decided to get the red one, skinny cable, because this one is the cable received the signal from the ECU. So I installed this cable. This cable, if you put ground, activate the relay, and then the pump start working. So I run this cable all the way from here all the way to the front pedal. I installed a special small switch. I'm gonna show you right now what I do here. Let me clean it up, my lens a little bit of my camera. Just a little bit dirt. Okay, guys, I'll show you what I do here. I don't know if you can see the switch over here. This switch is 6 ampere switch and work with 12 volts. What I do here is I make a small metal bracket and install it over here next to the pedal switch. What's gonna happen here? Here is gonna happen this, guys. This, you can adjust it whatever position you want the fuel pump run. I install it not all the way down, not all the way up. I install it in some median to the middle position of the pedal, and you can see also, you can hear that little click. This nice switch, they have like a bearing on the top, so the pedal slide perfectly. You can see. So this switch, you can put one of the cables to the ground and the second cable all the way to the relay. This switch only going to work when the car is on, when the car is running. Otherwise it's not gonna work, because all the ignition killed the power. You can hear, guys. With this, the car is gonna activate the second pump. When you're going running and then you press it, it's gonna activate the secondary pump. Why I show this video? I show this video because I want to help to other people. If you have this kind of problem, if you want to do this, you can do it. And then to me, I want to say this thing is gonna work like champion. I'm gonna show you the model number of the switch and some pictures, just in case if you want to buy online. You can see how nice work the switch, and you can install it any position, more deep or more out, wherever you want the secondary fuel pump work. Okay guys, finally I finished to install this device to this GTR because the fuel pumps, the second fuel pump not working. Some mechanic replace both pumps, first and second pump. He put it on brand new, and the car is still not activate the second pump on high speed. I check all fuses, everything look fine. Check front fuses, inside fuses, rear pump relay in the trunk, and I see everything perfect. So I finished it to install the device. This one over here, this little device, and the gas pedal. And to know if the secondary pump is working or not working, I installed this small LED. This LED is gonna show me, or it's gonna tell me when the second pump is on. So I'm gonna do some demonstration over here. So I'm gonna turn on the car. Okay, we get the key. The key, where I put the key? Over here, key. And then start the car. Okay, car is on. We don't have no lights, no check engine. So if you can see guys, I'm going to press the pedal gas hard, and you're gonna see the light blinking after 4,000 RPM. If the light turn on after 4,000 RPM, that means the second pump is on and my switch pedal is working correct. If you don't have blue light after 4,000 RPM, that means the second pump is not working, or the switch on the pedal is not working. But look like everything is working fine, and I'm gonna give you a test drive on this car to see how it feel, and then I'll return back to you very soon. Okay guys, my application for my app ECU Tech is on. It's already activated by Bluetooth, and I want to show what my problem is and why I installed the switch in the gas pedal to activate the second pump. Supposed to be when you run the car slow to high. When the first pump arrive to a high power, need to be activated the second pump. Automatic, both pumps need to work in sequence, but for some reason the car is not activated the second pump. So I want to show this video, start driving the car. So I'm gonna start press the gas. You can see how move when press the gas. The first pump go from low to high, and the second pump is still off. want to show the device I installed start working like after 4 RPM. You can see that on the left side, you're gonna see the light when I press the gas. When I press the gas hard, the second pump activated thanks to the switch I installed in the pedal. So my device, I made it. It's work perfectly. I cannot go too fast. I have a car in front of me. I'm gonna try to retune back to keep it testing. So here we go, let's try again. Okay, I'm gonna press the hard gasoline, hard. Woo! Working like champion. Now, second pump look like it's working. Now showing the display. Okay guys, so finally finished to do a test drive into the GTR. So my device I installed worked good. I'm gonna provide some pictures about the switch just in case if you need it for other projects similar. So I'm gonna post in the video. Thanks for watching guys.